everybody, this is Chef Angelica. Yes, Thanksgiving approaches, holiday season is here. I think you could guess at what I'm making for us today. We're going to do some fresh cranberry sauce, and so many people have told me, no, I tried it, it doesn't come out right. There is nothing like fresh. It's so super simple. Now, obviously, I make a big batch because I have a lot of people and clients to feed. So I'm going to give you measurements with a recipe that go at 12 ounces, because that's the standard. I have about 60 ounces here, but aren't they gorgeous? Now, I already put a little bit of water. I've got the heat turned on medium, and I already have 1 cup of coconut sugar. I use coconut sugar because it has this more, like brown sugar, has an amazing molasses taste and is incredible. So we got that there. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in this huge pot another cup packed sugar. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do, I have 2 cups of fresh squeezed orange juice. Ooh, does not that look amazing? Now with that, we're going to use a little bit more liquid. So I'm going to put about 1.5 cups of water. All right, that's a good start. Now I did put a pinch of salt. I put a pinch of salt in everything. It brings out the flavors. It's amazing. All this is going to bubble up and cook and get crazy like a jelly. Cranberries are super nutritious, full of antioxidants, and they just have amazing pectin. You know, when you make a jam or jelly, people add pectin. Well, you don't need to add anything to this. This is going to bubble up. Look at that. They're getting glazed and glorious. Look, here's the amount of liquid. But again, this is 60 ounces, so this is a lot. I love cranberry sauce, and I have everybody eat this all year round if I can because of the nutrients. So here's my little secret, and you don't have to. Some people put cinnamon. I put a touch of cloves, fresh ground cloves. Remind you of the holidays of Christmas. That's my little secret touch. You can use cinnamon or nutmeg, but nobody really uses cloves, and I like it because there's so many other dishes and pies during Thanksgiving that have cinnamon. So this is cloves. Look at that. Okay, we're going to turn it up. We're going to boil it, and you will see the results. You're going to have some amazing, amazing cranberry sauce. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Chef Angelica, happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, happy holidays.